guys, siguro hindi kayo familiar dito sa YouTube channel ko kasi ito yung magiging first vlog ko. At may kasama akong mag-vlog siya, si Natalie. Hi guys! Hi! Laruin namin ay, what is your favorite challenge? So, tara, magsimulan tayo. So, magbabato-bato pick kami kung sino yung una magtatanong. Topic. Siya mauna magtatanong, guys.
What is your favorite food?
Igado. Ako na. Favorite color?
Purple. What is your favorite app?
YouTube. Favorite vlogger?
Sergey B. What is your favorite drink?
C2.
Ikaw na.
Favorite sports?
Badminton. What is your favorite fruit?
Favorite fruit? Banana. Favorite animal?
Dog. What is your favorite pet?
Dog. Dream gift.
Ha?
Dream gift. Pangarap mong gift.
Yung cellphone. Favorite color?
Orange. Favorite food?
Adobo. What is your favorite brand of shoes?
Nike. Favorite flavor of ice cream?
Strawberry. What is your favorite artist?
Artist, wala. Favorite song?
Enchanted. What is your favorite games?
Wala. Favorite number?
27. What is your favorite? Wait. What is
Ilan ba yun sa'yo?
10? Who is your favorite vlogger?
Sir Gabin. Yun guys, tapos na kami. Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-like. Bye!